In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit a Confluence page for easy updates. Whether you're maintaining documentation, updating team notes, or quickly fixing a typo, knowing how to confidently edit a Confluence page will save you time and keep your workspace organized. In this walkthrough, I'll take you from opening Confluence all the way through editing a page and publishing your changes, so you know exactly what to expect. First, open Confluence in your browser. You might access it from a bookmark, your company's internal tools page, or directly through your Atlassian site. Make sure you're signed in with the right account, especially if you use multiple workspaces or profiles. Once you're logged in, you'll usually land on the home page or a dashboard that shows your recent spaces and pages. Next, you'll want to select the page you want to edit. You can do this by navigating through the left-hand sidebar, where spaces and pages are listed, or by using the search bar at the top if you know the page title or a keyword. Take a moment to confirm that you're on the correct page, especially if there are similar documents or versions. Look at the page title and, if necessary, skim the content to be sure it's the one you intend to change. Once you're on the right page, look for the Edit button, usually located near the top right corner of the screen. It may appear as a button labeled Edit or as a pencil icon. Click this to open the page in editing mode. You'll notice the layout shift slightly, and a formatting toolbar will appear, giving you options like headings, bullet lists, links, and more. Now you can safely make your updates, adjust text, fix formatting, add new sections, or remove outdated information. As you edit, try to keep the structure clear so that others can easily follow the content later. When you're happy with your changes, it's time to save and publish them. Look for the Update button, again typically in the top right corner of the screen. Before you click it, you can quickly scan the page for any typos or formatting issues. Some teams like to add a brief summary in the change comment field so others know what was updated and why. When you're ready, click Update. Confluence will save your edits and push them live so your teammates immediately see the latest version. And that's it. You've opened Confluence, selected the right page, gone into edit mode,